This is Smart Trackers by Chris Love. What is it? Health trackers are wearable electronic devices that allow you to track steps, goals, calories, heart rate, and many others. Built-in GPS comes standard in most devices in recent years, but in years past, they didn't come with GPS capabilities, so you would need to bring your phone to carry with you to access the signal. Some of the activities include running, cycling, weightlifting, swimming, and any sort of cardio. You can set reminders like bedtime alarms and notifications for certain tasks that need done throughout the day. Some of the forms of these health trackers come in rings, wristbands, heart rate straps, and shoe clips. The main brands across the board are Garmin, Fitbit, Apple, and Samsung. Most of the issues caused by health trackers are privacy threats. Other people following you on different apps like Strava, MapMyRun, and Nike Run Club can see your data across the board without even knowing it. A lot of devices nowadays are inaccurate and can show negative feedback. Consumers rely on major aspects of the tracker, like heart rate and calories, for their own personal benefit. Anxiety also plays a role. When you don't meet your goals that you set for yourself, it can cause a lot of stress and anxiety that is not needed. Who is affected? Regular connoisseurs who are just looking for a sort of high-tech watch. Anyone who is looking for a way to track any sort of activity, like running. One of the major crowds that these fitness trackers focus to is athletes who use fitness trackers with their training, who need to be the best athlete they can be. Why should you care? There are ways to avoid these issues, and one of them is to be aware and read articles on watches and fitness trackers. Some of the negative aspects and the impact that they can have on your lifestyle is also a main reason why you should care. How has technology made it better? Technology has made these issues better by creating new operating systems so that it's not as faulty. Newer models also have come out rooting out old problems with previous trackers within the new models. They also come with more accurate data, like a heart rate monitor that's updated every year, and more accessories are being made up to date, like heart straps that are focused on your heartbeat and sensors that are coordinated to your cadence for your steps. How has technology made it worse? Each company has been making newer models, which keeps the crowds wanting to buy more and the newest. A lot of advertisements are being made like Super Bowl commercials and on TV in general for the public to see. Most all companies are competing to make the best smart tracker, and consumers want to buy the best one. How to combat the issue? The main point here is to read before you buy, know the potential risks, and read many articles before diving in and spending up to $200 plus on a smart tracker that could potentially lead to a negative impact.